Neblomi pasta hasla polosobai. Miseblo Southeast Choiseul District. Bibes lo Posarai. Alo this morning milat ko sharing lo one for a testimony for me and it happened lo year 2013 in September 23. In that experience and happened between Bella and Chozo. Time me come for loading district director from his Milusim Chozo Sunday morning or come lo Monday or pick him family lo district director lo Milonis. It happened that no come so me with him cousin brother lo me and mahap bogan bit with Tuesday early morning at around 4:30 a.m. with fala Lucien Gizo go back to church. Okay? No that morning me see me shopping no raf Tomas itin no mo with fala by travel no hemon so with fala travel a loading bla with fala loading no mas 70 liter and around 5 bag rice brought the home and anyway at around 7:30 a.m. early morning meet fala off Labu-Lambu distance time church law Kimbiri and level with MC and na distance meet fala kase or meet fala off Vela okay about 7:30 a.m. Time meet fala travel lo that early morning skip up Blomi cousin brother Blomi and hem ski knowing that mutual no load, so I'm trusting na mutual no load anything. So I'm scheme na canoe. Okay? Wind and blow from Gizo, more than that so. And so I'm trusting na that one. At around 7:30, one of the waves na and raise normal the front. Then front local and pangalo waves yeah then somehow now current waves built the front canoe. All of a sudden, canoe go inside the ski and goes. Anyway, meet gonna sink na. Meet gonna sink with everything meet gonna loading. Meet gonna double engine ya, but meet gonna using normal 40, 59. Hangin normal canoe. Anyway, meet gonna sink. Brother Ryan, very experienced driver, and so hemi tama pumna every container lo canoe meet fala float. Canoe ya em sink ya front no makama. Every body block canoe ya stop underneath the sea. Anyway, meet fala float the sea, welcome this season, either for sit down on top naman of front canoe or swim out. At around 30 minutes after meet fala sink, meet fala prayer finish, then meet fala na sound of the engine from Gizo go down the choice. So meet fala looking now engine Otihos. Go down for choice. Time it was sinking, it was holem no 2 container. Everything it was not 2 container and computer bag and no it was holem and waterproof doors. Anyway, canoe come it was doing anything for attracting more attention blow but canoe but not looking. So me to continue for swim. continue for swim during that morning. Mitfall no receive him any kai, and so Mitfall continue swim until first Deja hemi arrive. By the time Mitfall already evening na, between 6:30 and 7 o'clock. First Deja hemi arrive. Mitfala stop lo sea for already 1 day, and so Bonito and Ialofin o katakam na round ni Mitfala o kakay mo tan bait stop ko saplo Mitfala, and cousin Broya and say atin today no mom Mitfala man die. He say why no time Bonito sen suck and stop atin Mitalem. If God allows him to fall and die today, if God him not permit him for him to fall and die, God by saving life. Anyway, Mitfala night him kasem Mitfala. But before night him kasem Mitfala, at around 3:30, brother him saying hungry, and so Mitalemem story blow Elijah. Miselo brother, bro, you saw story blow Elijah. God him use him bed for feeding Elijah. Time run away from us. And after me tell him short story blow Elijah, then me tell him today on bed no more fly around. And today bed too by feeding. Me tell him close my eye and short prayer no. Tell him God that Mitfala need him. And Mitfala say, hey. After 30 minutes, ni karang Mitfala watch, or put watch, no hand no miss. After 30 minutes, almost immediate, God any answer prayer. That fella seagull will fly around in from the sea. Him sit down can no. One fella big dry coconut. Coconut yan na, brother and swim go and go taken and ask him no teeth lo he. Then he ask me anything stop no basket lo you, and so me open in basket and me hold one side. Then me able for hold it na two fala fine where all the church lo home na on the healthy part. And so me fala use him na file yeah. For opening na coconut. What ang coconut time meat fala satisfied. Time meat fala ring. Anyway, meat fala using same file from breaking coconut. And meat fala share one and a time one. Coconut time meat fala swallow everything except selam len naman meat fala everything meat fala swallow. A time meat fala satisfied. Anyway, night and after that danger, he arrived and then over, we're gonna swim all through the night. One thing we noticing on night, where him come around in is dolphin. Dolphin na come at night. Ni sabi, nature blood dolphin, tapos dolphin, and around suck and far. Okay? So, dolphin now, friend will follow night and it follow swim go by no vela. Vela naman it follow and then po supplement ka. Anyway, around 2 o'clock a.m. Wednesday morning, it follow looking at the sick light and come down from area of Moro, the vela. Then come no area where it follow swim go down around Kimbiri. Valley. Anyway, both them it will doing anything for attracting. It will using torture. But already it will kasem na reef where still far away no land. So it will kasem no there. It will now stand up with same shallow reef. It will continue. Anyway, around 6 o'clock. early morning, Wednesday. Mi tu fala looking ko na, tu fala kanu be fishing load down, reef load down. So cousin brother him say, bro, you by behind now. Me by swim go first, then go tell him to follow fishing for come pick him you. Then me say lo him, no more. Him to follow swim together the night. Him to follow stay together and so him to follow must stay together until him to follow meet him help. Anyway, brother and me finally agree on decision. Me to follow try very best focus him not to follow down him, no more. To follow look him to follow to no able focus him to follow because current is too. Anyway, at around 8 o'clock, brother and say I'm hungry more and so me pray and another coconut hemi float ka. And that coconut na mit fala kakime no second day then mit fala continue for sure. At around 9 o'clock, one fala canoe from Boro, Novella, hem come up for fishing lo rafta. Me to fala doing anything. Time me to fala inside finish lo reef area lo Dovele area. Me to fala doing anything. By the time I'm fine na sea fine, no more high school. Me to fala doing anything for attractive makata no more too. Okay, so me to fala continue for swimming. Or no noticing me to fala. And so me to fala continue for swim full day Wednesday until around 12 o'clock no afternoon no Wednesday. Me to fala meet ma second danger. Me to fala go kasen finish on top no Boro area no Vena. And see him find some me to fala float between containers here. Me to fala time up na to fala container another 30 liter full of petrol and tank, empty tank lo inch. Me to kasem lo there, seeing that petrol hem bonem na bele blom. So blood them out and so sak na hem mitfal meeting lo around 12 o'clock lo Wednesday around the Boro area lo Vela. So second danger mitfal meeting lo there. Anyway, mitfal pray that God bahem no allow these creatures for killing mitfal. And so mitfal continue for sure. Mitfal try very best lo mitfala. Or at least mitfala kasim so. But none. Okay? Strength lo mitfala I'm go down. Current too I'm strong. And so mitfala unable for kasim so. Even though that they know anyone to fishing for Pandol Kramlo distance where mitfala stop lo see. Anyway, at around 6 o'clock long evening Wednesday, mitfala kasem area lo Sorezaro area go for JSC Novella nalis. Me meet him first thing that happened lo body plan. Okay, mitfala already stopped lo see 2 days 1 night. And so call na mi feel him come up lo bele blo mi hem like satin na breathe blo. So me pray that God by me help him. And so feeling siya him out by between 6:30 and 7 no Wednesday evening. That same feeling when out Lomilo around 6 o'clock I'm come by. Feeling siya I'm come up o sem cold come up o sem like stop no breathe. And so me call him go now cousin brother when swim first. Me swim with him for content. And so me no fast. So me call him go for come and stay with him. That experience me feel him also me by that. So brother I'm come holding me I'm sitting down between rope and between container with a float mi talem every last doctor the months of talem before losing life and everything mi talem. And just before by me unconscious mi talem brother bro can we pray last prayer in which let me ask him God for sending help immediately that experience. And so me say a last prayer me tell him God me wala desperately needing help, and so please send someone to come and pick us. After mitwala say amen, mitwala herem noma sound blow engine. Sound blow engine hemi come towards direction where mitwala flock. At that time mitwala already on top lo gave up passage. Okay, Lovena go towards JSC. Take him. Anyway, engineer come straight lo mitwala. That fala agent kanu. Hemi from Iringila, Lovella. Okay? Iringila, Lovella. 3 fala passenger noma, lo kolom kanu. Ota out from Gizo. Ota loading out passengers lo Dovele area. And so, after what I lusim last passenger lo Sontali, Lovella. Hemi nga rin fala passage lo there. So kamo sem lo JC. By ota apum engine, Pandola cross before continue engine. Time mo ta kam kasem lo there. Skip am lo that engine hemi drunk ya ada liga. And so hem kam kasem reef ya hem apum engine finish. Then conscience blow hem say no ma. Down in back engine hem go for night na ya, so you follow go no ma road blow ship. So drunkard skip ay hemi down in back engine. Then him follow kam na road blow seat on top lo kata reef. And so time him kanu ya run kam tap same position mitwala stop no baka tapasi dan mitwala floatel. By the time me unconscious lo handlo cousin brother mitwala float no. Anyway kanu ya him just run pasi mitwala no 5 meters away. Then brother ya him looking me unconscious, so him forget them nama waterproof torch mitwala garem lo mitwala. And so what them do himself little bit voice nama driver ya here. Then him auto stop, then auto look what looking nama container because him go night na looking container, so auto move concept come. Then noticing na that mitwala na float between two container. Anyway, auto come pulo mitwala up lo kanu. Time mitwala kasem kanu. Every strength lo mitwala and out na, finish na. Take mitwala go lo boro clean. And what say no more. And night na so imi go lo Iringila. Mitwala admit lo Iringila clean lo Vela. It will admit there. All body blow it fala, especially belly blow it fala and body feel petrol. And it will admit the Boro clinic receiving medical assistance, nurse there. Kanu ijin blow it fala or pick him lo Thursday afternoon. Okay, and me call sap kasem chozong. Sunday mitwala kasem. Planet Earth, where anything can happen, anything. Devil too him no have no work in things that lost service. And so time you may doing work of your God, or anything you may do in personal life with you, spiritual life with you, even as committing life with you, Lohando. Prayer no mami, believing, and no mami, save Lohando during the experience. Number two is when you may during the experience to save, mind blow you may is positive. Lo, mit kala, rata ya, when mit kala, see, rata ya, every time when I think negative. But lo, me especially, me always think positive. Okay? If me think negative, me to my life is. Okay? So, always think positive when you me experiencing that type of experience. Incident. Think positive, trust in God, God by Himself in you, with that faith, and that is how I move forward. Surviving a very dangerous experience of life. And so me thanking God, me praising God. During that experience, me he always live life of prayer. And me cousin now, 21 years when he served inside the service of God. So I served